Hi, I'm here at Biotech Week Boston with Renato Azevedo, Senior Director at Ecolab Bioprocessing. Thanks for being here today.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Let's just get right into it. What challenges are you seeing in the pharma industry right now?
Yeah, so one of the biggest challenges that we're seeing is the complexity of molecules that are being developed in our customer pipelines. It's great to see, right, that these molecules are coming through and they're addressing specific diseases, but it presents a challenge to purify, right? We're talking about bispecific, multispecific, FC fusions, all very challenging, and customers not having the right tools that they used to have for these new complex things. The next, let's say, challenge that I see is cost of goods, and customers looking at how to reduce their cost to manufacture without sacrificing quality at the end of the day.
Interesting. And how are you addressing these more complex antibodies?
So at Ecolab, we've developed an Affinity Resin Toolbox where we have specific resins designed to meet certain challenges. So one example is CH1, where this is designed for, let's say, molecules that don't have an FC component to it, and so needs a different way to bind. And so that's a very specific resin that's been designed for that challenge. High pH is another resin that we've developed for molecules that are very acid labile, right? So acid-sensitive molecules that cause aggregation. When you elute at a typical pH of 3.5, you tend to aggregate, and that's a very big problem for the industry. And high pH allows customers to elute at a much higher or milder pH and reducing the risk of aggregation.
Interesting. And how is Ecolab innovating to make their manufacturing more efficient?
Yeah, so we are seeing a lot of our customers interested in process intensification and investing in technologies that are moving in that direction. We're building our innovation pipeline that helps move us in that direction, pushing that technology curve. And one area is around the pressure flow of resins, which increases productivities for our customers.
Okay, interesting. Okay. And let's talk about new products. What new products has Ecolab brought to market to address industry challenges?
Yeah, so we're super excited about our most recent addition to our portfolio is DurA Cycle A50. It's been designed to have extended or give our customers extended lifetime with the ability to withstand really aggressive cleaning protocols. It also has the ability to have a much wider elution window, meaning that you don't have to elute at such an acidic range, and it reduces the risk for aggregation.
Well, that sounds fantastic. And how are you leveraging industry partnerships to better serve your customers?
Sure. So we've got a strong collaboration with Repligen, and we leverage each other's strengths. And so Repligen offers a very unique and innovative ligand portfolio, and we have unique jetting manufacturing technology and processes for the beads, and combining the two gives us really competitive products. And in the last 18 months, we've actually developed 5 products, but launched 3 products in the last 18 months, which is very impressive in my mind. One is the most recent DurA Cycle A50, right? Looking at extended lifetimes and high performance. We also have high pH, which allows for wider elution windows and specific for acid-sensitive molecules, and CH1, which is targeted at fragments and complex molecules, such as bispecifics and FC fusions and such.
Well, that sounds great. And I guess what's next for Ecolab?
Yeah, so we're looking to further expand our Affinity Resin Toolbox to address the challenges of these complex molecules that are coming through and for process intensification. We're also taking a closer look at how to address the bioburden management and control in the industry. We hear a lot from our customers that that's a concern. I think given Ecolab's expertise in the industry, I think we could leverage that and provide some solutions to our customers. Also looking to leverage Ecolab's global presence and expertise around regulatory and helping our customers through the regulatory jungle and the maze that exists, And lastly, I'll mention that we're super excited about our Bioprocessing Applications Lab in King of Prussia. We call it BPAL Lab. It's where we can help our customers solve their challenges. It's an extension to their laboratory, and we're super excited to have that up and running.
Exciting stuff. Well, thank you for speaking with me today.
Thank you. It's been great.